So guys, in this today video, we are going to see what is Project of the Year contest, how we apply for this challenge, and what is the prize for the winners. So let's begin. Move toward the website. I will provide you the link of the website in description. Check it there. Okay, so prepare your project now. Just to participate in the project now, they will provide you the 3D experience platform for free, plus the entry made using the platform gets swag back. So make sure you use the platform and watch this video for more details. Okay, so now how to enter project of the year. Okay, so get access of the platform and start doing design. Okay, so first of all you have to do take the access and start doing design. So just I will read the procedure and then we proceed for the access. Then second is the project submission is from May 4th to June 13th, and the voting time to vote the contest is start open from 14th June to 25th. Till your friends and family. Tell your friends and family. Okay, and winner will be announced on 9th of July. How to win? There are 5 winners will be chosen by popular vote count. Then there are 3 brand project on the Katia, Simuli and Saltworks. Then there is 1 jury prize winner will be chosen by jury. There is 3 sustainability prize winner will be chosen by jury at the same. And 3 of the best 3D experience project will be selected by Dassault System employees. And 1 Instagram prize reward, the most reposted project showed on your page. Okay, 3@3xedu. Our result will be published on Facebook page. Okay, so don't worry about that. And here you can see all the winner prize. Okay, and there is you can see the judging criteria also. The first 3D experience prize, you have 10 points, 20 points for innovation, 30 points for design, collaboration have 20 points, sustainability having 15 points, pitch or presentations, the way you present, have 15 points, and bonus points of 20 points. So in which you how much you use 3D experience platform and posting project on 3D experience student community. Okay, so I will describe the student community in the video also. So the next is the jury vote, sustainability prize, Katia prize, and they have literally same we can say marking or point system. There is very little changes in the judging criteria. Okay, so don't have to worry about that, and you can just go through all the points and you will understand it. And if you have any problem regarding the project of the year contest, you can feel to comment on the video, so we will try to answer this question. So in the bottom now you will get the challenge rule book, and also in the on the page also. So here you get the competition 2021 project of the year 2021 rule book. In this rule book now, if you scroll down, you will get the prize, means for which we can say winner get which prize. Okay, so in on the page you have just is that there are a lot of prizes. Okay, so just one of them is fan vote prize. The first fan vote prize will get Apple iPad 2018 32 GB. Okay, so you can list down all the prizes and prepare yourself according to prize if you like to win such any particular prize. Okay, so the next is let's move toward the last year project. Okay, so here you can see the last year project work. Okay, so just move back. Just here you can see I also provide the link in the description. Okay, so don't worry about that. Project of the year 2021 contest. In this you can see the last year project submissions. Okay, and there is gear cutting attachment, there is solar power vehicles, and there are a lot of projects, so you can see that and understand which type of project you have to submit. Okay, so don't worry, and there are a lot of projects. So let's move back to our contest page or the challenge page, and let's open for access your license. So here, this is the registration page for the project of the year 2021. You have to submit your details. First of all, agree all privacy policy and select any two of the solution, 3D solution. The first is 3D designer and the second is 3D experience engineer. 3D designer is totally cloud based 3D modeling, so you not need to any offline installation or in computer installation. 3D experience is the means you need to install the software of 3D experience and you will get the access also, don't worry. So for type your name, first name, your last name, and your date of birth. It is important because it's totally for education purpose only. So date of birth and your email address. Then reconfirm your email address. Then select your country from which your country of origin. So I am selecting here India. Next, type your school name or college name. Then type your city name, means in which city your college is belong. So city name and the country of your college. Yeah, so here say India. And next, you have to agree all the terms and policy to participate. Make sure you are 18 cross and submit. So this is the complete procedure to apply for the project of the year contest. Okay, so yeah, after completing the login now, you have to do the student registration. I will provide this link also in the description. So just go and verify my profiles. Click on verify my profile. So you have to register as a student, so you have to provide the related some details regarding your students. Okay, so I am a student. Select I am a student. Okay, you can also have a below, and you will get mail regarding this also to complete your profile as a student. Okay, select I am a student, and here you have three options. I don't your school email address or other. So if you don't have any email address, school email or college email address, just type your name, your school name, your school website, your school address, and upload the your ID of college or school. Okay, so they will check it, and if although it's okay, they will confirm your registration as a student, and you will get the benefit of student book. Okay, confirm and next. So project of the year, you will get this type of mail after completing your registration. The second mail for completing your dashboard and ID, and third mail is regarding to get your dashboard app. Okay, so you will get all these mails, don't worry about that.